Welcome to another separation activity. In the last one, which I believe should be the first one, so if this is the first one, I'm sorry, but there is one that I think most people just did that was us separating iron, sand, and salt. Those are solids, and we used evaporation, we used magnetism, and we used filtration to be able to separate those things across. And I think we did a really good job. However, it's also possible to separate liquids from one another. So as I previewed at the ending of that video, I have 4 vis-a-vis markers and 4 Sharpie markers, so to speak. And this one's a Bic. I just picked it because it's orange, and I like orange. So I put a dot of each ink on, including the silver, on each of these essentially pieces of filter paper. I cut up the filter paper into strips to try to get them to a point so we can do a separation with them. What I'm going to do is, and if you would allow me to show you really quick, I'm going to use these as the example. I'm going to wind these around a stir rod. Nothing crazy, just to have it overlap like this. And that one actually just undid itself. So I'll probably be redoing this just to make sure. Let me actually try to do a better job maybe with this one because it's a little bigger. It's a little bit better. And what you can do is you can add a solvent or a liquid, and I can rest the stir rod across the beaker, add just enough water so the water slowly can work its way up this paper, kind of like a straw wrapper. You know, I know a lot of you probably have had a straw wrapper and dipped it in liquid and the water zooms its way up. That's what's going to happen here. That's actually going to allow us to see what colors of ink make up, in this case, a purple marker. Now, that might not make a lot of sense. You're probably like, well, it's purple ink. Well, maybe not. I know some of these will surprise you over here. So I'm going to set this up, and we'll kind of see how things look once I get all 7 of these set up.